If you're an avid hunter, having the right tools makes all the difference in the field. The best deer dressing knife ensures clean, efficient field dressing, skinning, and butchering, making your post-hunt process quicker, safer, and far more precise. After watching the setup, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. KNINE 12 Pieces Deer Dressing Knife. The KNINE 12 Pieces Deer Dressing Knife Set is a comprehensive field dressing kit designed for serious hunters who want to be prepared for every step of game processing. This set stands out for its variety, including a 12-inch boning knife, gut hook skinner, hawkbill blade knife, caping knife, gut hook butcher axe, skinning cleaver, bone saw, rib cage spreader, game shear, portable cutting board, knife and shear sharpener, and a pair of cleaning gloves. With such a broad range of tools, it's easy to tackle field dressing tasks with precision and efficiency. Each handle is finished in an attractive black and blue camo design, crafted from ergonomic, non-slip materials to provide a secure grip even in slippery conditions. This ensures both safety and control while working on game in the field. The blades are constructed from durable 7CR17 MOV steel, a material known for its toughness and corrosion resistance. The knives have undergone 7 rounds of heat treatment to improve their hardness, ensuring that each blade maintains its edge through repeated use. Number 2. Mossy Oak Deer Dressing Knife. The Mossy Oak Deer Dressing Knife Set is a 10-piece game processing kit designed for hunters seeking an all-in-one solution for field dressing and processing deer and other game animals. This set comes packed in a sturdy black storage case, offering a variety of essential tools: a 7 1/4-inch caping knife, 8 3/4-inch gut hook knife, 12-inch boning knife, 9-inch game shears, 9 1/2-inch wood or bone saw, 10 3/4-inch butcher knife, cutting board, rib spreader, knife sharpener, and red cleaning gloves. With its well-rounded selection, this kit ensures you're equipped for skinning, gutting, boning, and butchering tasks in the field. The standout feature here is the ergonomic design of the 4 hunting knives, each boasting bicolor green rubberized handles with black coating. The argyle texture and finger grooves provide a secure, non-slip grip even when working in wet or messy conditions. Additionally, a lanyard hole on each handle allows for convenient storage or carrying options. The blades are made from heat-treated stainless steel, offering excellent hardness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. A particular highlight is the 9 1/2-inch wood and bone saw, which features a clever, blunted hook tip designed to avoid puncturing vital organs, preserving the quality of the meat during dressing. Its T-shaped handle and optimized serrations improve efficiency, making it easier to work through bone and tough tissues. The inclusion of practical accessories like a cutting board, rib spreader, and game shears adds further value to the set.
Number 3. Mossy Oak 10-Piece Deer Dressing Knife. The Mossy Oak 10-Piece Deer Dressing Knife Set delivers dependable performance and versatility for hunters who need a reliable field dressing solution. This comprehensive kit includes 8 essential tools: an 8 3/4 wood or bone saw, steeled stick or brisket spreader, 7 1/2-inch caping knife, 9 1/2-inch gut hook skinner, 10-inch boning knife, tungsten carbide V sharpener, and red game cleaning gloves. Each piece is housed in a protective box, keeping tools secure and easily accessible in the field. Durability is a strong point of this kit, with high-quality stainless steel blades ensuring long-lasting performance and excellent corrosion resistance. The full tank construction of the knives adds strength, while camouflage pattern handles offer an attractive and functional grip. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, secure hold, making it easier to work through game dressing tasks without hand fatigue. The 8.7-inch wood and bone saw stands out for its blunt, hooked tip, preventing accidental punctures to organs and minimizing the risk of contaminating the meat. Its efficient serrations combined with a T-shaped handle provide improved control and power during use. The 7 1/2-inch caping knife is particularly well suited for precise, delicate cuts around the animal's face and hide, while the 9.4-inch gut hook skinner streamlines opening the carcass without damaging internal organs.
Number 4. KNINE Deer Dressing Knife.
The KNINE Deer Dressing Knife Set is a versatile and reliable kit for hunters seeking an efficient solution for processing wild game. This thoughtfully assembled set includes a 12-inch boning knife, gut hook skinner, hawkbill blade knife, caping knife, gut hook butcher axe, skinning cleaver, bone saw, rib cage spreader, game shear, portable cutting board, knife and shear sharpener, and a pair of cleaning gloves. It covers every tool necessary for handling deer and other large game in the field. Each tool features an ergonomic yellow camo handle designed for a comfortable non-slip grip, even when working in wet conditions. The 7 CR17 MOV steel blades are heat-treated 7 times to achieve optimal hardness and edge retention, ensuring long-lasting performance. This combination of durable materials and smart design makes each piece easy to handle and effective for its intended purpose. The set's strength lies in its wide variety of tools. The gut hook skinner, boning knife, and caping knife allows for clean, efficient work, while the hawkbill blade and butcher axe are excellent for more rugged tasks. The bone saw and ribcage spreader simplify the process of dressing large game, and the included game shear adds versatility for trimming and cutting.
Number 5. Edge Deer Dressing Knife. The Edge Deer Dressing Knife Set offers a complete 11-piece fixed-blade game processing kit tailored for hunters who demand professional-grade performance. This set includes a gut hook skinning knife, boning knife, butcher knife, bone saw, tungsten carbide sharpener, ribcage spreader, game shears, cutting mat, game cleaning gloves, and a rugged hard-side storage case, providing all the essential tools for efficiently processing deer and other game in the field. One of the standout features of this set is its razor-sharp, full-tang 420J2 stainless steel blades. Each blade undergoes precision heat treatment, taper grounding, and hand finishing to achieve a shaving-sharp edge with excellent edge retention. This attention to detail ensures the knives remain sharp and reliable throughout your hunting trip. The ergonomically designed TPR rubberized handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue and enhancing safety when working in wet or slippery conditions. The rugged, hard-side storage case keeps each tool clean, dry, and well organized. Its tough exterior and snug interior compartments make it easy to transport this kit to hunting camps and field locations. The bone saw, with its sharp teeth and sturdy construction, handles tough bone-cutting tasks efficiently, while the ribcage spreader and game shears offer versatility for managing large game carcasses. Additionally, the included tungsten carbide sharpener ensures your knives remain in top condition after repeated use. Edge stands behind its products with a lifetime service warranty, reflecting confidence in the durability and quality of their field dressing kits. This makes the Edge Deer Dressing Knife Set an excellent investment for hunters who want dependable, professional-grade gear. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.